I'm so bored. Oof, you're so beautiful. I wish you can get something like you. Just look at those curves. That white design looks so good. That honestly would look perfect in my system. Dude, have you seen Cyberpunk 2077 with ray tracing? It's insane. So he said Cyberpunk 2077 video ray tracing. Let's watch this. Oof. Oh, look at that reflection. RTX off and on. I need to try this so badly. RT and X. Cyberpunk. Oh, I need to get this so bad right now. There we go. Cyberpunk. Definitely going to play this and purchase for myself. And we are in 115 frames a second. That's what I'm talking about. So let's quickly check settings. It's low, let's quickly bump it up to ultra. We have some frames to spare. And then ray tracing is off. I thought the game came with ray tracing. And we are in 7 frames a second, 6 frames a second. And it looks so bad. What's wrong with the game? 5 frames a second. We lost everything. No, something is definitely not right here. What's going on? Alright, so what could actually be the problem? Let's see. System specs, requirements. So Steam says I need an Intel Core i5 3570K. And with NVIDIA GeForce GTX 780 and 8 gigs of RAM. Probably have that, right? As we see my rig, GeForce RTX Potato, Intel Core Potato CPU, Potato Gigabyte of RAM. What does that mean? What's going on? No, I've just bought this PC a while back. It should be pretty high spec. So how do I open up this thing? Up front here. That doesn't work. There's a screw over here. Maybe this will help. And then... What? Potatoes? What's going on? Where's my system? I've been bamboozled. What's going on? What's going on here? I don't understand. My sister is a potato. I don't even know what that means. What's that? Potato PC. Potato PC. Is there... What? How is this possible? It's the Vision 3080. What? Where the hell did that come from?
Let me take you for a ride, dancing with the lights, our hearts beating like a drum tonight. Let me take you for a ride, for a ride.
I can't see. Oh, wow, that was bright. Whoa. Wait. Where am I? What is this? Cyberpunk? The Vision? RTX? Oh, yeah. Now we're gonna play some new Cyberpunk with ray tracing, of course, all on max. Let's go. Wow, this looks amazing. Look at all of the lights, all of the reflections. Oh my word. But I think that's enough just driving around. Now let's get into the fun parts.
NANI?
I'm just calling to say I...
Come on. You're no match. Dude, why are you still here? Come on. Just, you can go. It's fine. Just let me play for a bit more. I'm really enjoying my time, okay? Thank you.